In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam username. If you've been thinking about refreshing the name your friends see in chats, lobbies, and on your profile, you're in the right place. This walkthrough uses the standard Steam desktop app and focuses on the quickest, most reliable path to update your display name. Start by opening Steam on your computer and signing in if you aren't already. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your current display name next to your avatar. Click that area to open a small menu, and then select Profile. This takes you straight to your public profile page so you can make changes. On your profile page, find and click the Edit Profile button. It's usually near the upper right area of your profile header. This opens your profile settings where you control what other players see when they visit your page. Inside Edit Profile, go to the General section. In most cases, Steam opens General by default. If not, you'll see General in the left-hand list. Click it to bring up your main profile settings. Here, locate the field labeled Profile Name. This is your display name, the one your friends and other players will see across the Steam community, in friends lists, and in many in-game overlays. Type the new name you want to use into the profile name field. Keep it clear and recognizable so your friends can still find you. While Steam is flexible with names, it's smart to avoid special characters or symbols that may not display correctly in some games or chat windows. Also, keep in mind that display names on Steam don't have to be unique, so it's okay if someone else has the same name. When you're happy with your choice, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Your new profile name should update almost immediately. If you don't see it right away in a game or chat, try refreshing your profile page or restarting Steam to prompt the change across all views. A quick but important note, this process changes your profile name, not your account name. Your account name is the permanent login identifier you use to sign into Steam and can't be changed. Today, you're only updating the display name that others see. Also, if you've set a custom profile URL in the past, changing your profile name won't alter that web address. And that's it. Open Steam, click your name at the top right, go to your profile, choose Edit Profile, make sure you're on General, change the profile name field, and click Save. Enjoy your refreshed identity, and I'll see you next time.